Yeah, Code Battles is a takeoff on the popular Code Wars game that we use here on campus to help students practice their JavaScripts, but injected with a healthy dose of friendly competition. So users can train their JavaScript abilities and face off against their friends to see who can solve problems as quickly as possible. So with that, here's Code Combat, excuse me.
Hi everyone, my name is Amadi Jallo and I'm here along with my teammates Tony Yoon, Nadim Udin and Jonathan Martinez, and we are here to present our project Code Combat. Code Combat is an in-browser application where programmers can improve their coding skills, either through solo training challenges or live coding battles where users of similar rank go head-to-head to battle for glory. We built this application to provide a fun and engaging environment for new and experienced programmers. In building this application, we use the Node Stack, Sockets, and React as editor. We use virtual machines to safely run user-submitted code and Victory for data visualization. For front and back end testing, we use Chai and Enzyme respectively. To talk more about the features of our application, here is Tony.
Thanks, Amadou. To help me walk through the features, I'd like to introduce our user, Aria. Aria is fairly new to JavaScript, and she's been working really hard to improve her JavaScript skills through Code Combat. In training mode, Aria can choose to accept or skip missions, and here she can take her time to solve difficult problems and earn points, which will increase her rank and unlock new missions. When her mission is complete, she can return to her user profile to look at all the completed history of her submitted solutions. We also have statistics to show how a user progresses through the app. Now Aria is ready for battle mode. In battle mode, Aria can challenge other opponents of similar rank. She clicks Find Match and waits for a worthy opponent. When the battle begins, both users are given the same challenge. In order for her to win, she must submit her solution before her opponent does. If she loses, she'll lose points and possibly even lose her rank. So she's very determined to win. But thanks to all her good efforts, she is victorious. Now to tell you how everything works, here's Nadim.
Thanks, Tony. Our team took an agile approach to help ease collaborative workflow. During designing Code Combat, we knew we needed an editor, a console, and the ability to run test specs for our users. So this became one of our first challenge, was to allow users to write and safely run code in our browser without affecting our server. So we implemented a sandbox environment in order to protect our users and product from any threats or malicious bugs. So through research, we concluded that VM2 along with React Ace Editor would be able to handle our need for code separation along with user flexibility, and all in a powerful, lightweight package. So when the user hits submit, it sends their code to our virtual machine, it evaluates the code, and then emits back the results along with any console logs they've written back to the user. So we were able to instantiate multiple instances of virtual machines, but we still needed to connect them to our editor and console in order to provide an engaging multiplayer for our user. So I'll let Jonathan talk about Code Combat's multiplayer architecture.
Thank you, Nadim. We utilize WebSockets to allow a connection between our editor and virtual machine in order to parse user code to our server. The multiplayer portion of our site depended heavily upon socket events to provide a smooth experience between players. When a player clicks Find Match, Code Combat searches for an active room with an evenly matched opponent or creates one if it doesn't exist. When an opponent joins a match, our app provides real-time functionality by leveraging WebSockets and connecting users to the same server. Every battle is an intense gameplay experience, with the user's points and rank on the line. When a player submits code that passes all test specs, we emit an event that updates their state and renders the appropriate win-loss message. After battle, Code Combat dispatches to the Redux store and updates our database with match statistics. Our team considered using Firebase for rapid updates, but refrained from using it since it lacked a relational systems database. So we matched Postgres with WebSockets for instant functionality. Our team overcame difficulties of confidence while learning new technologies and how they work in unison. We plan to expand our battle mode with squad battles and eventually tournaments. So we invite you all to view our application at code-combat.herokuapp.com. You may also view our code on GitHub. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we hope you'll love our application.
All right, everyone, a vote for Code Combat is a vote against Code Peace. But this reminds me a lot of something that I used to love doing, which is called Top Coder, where you would jump into a room and code against other people on like kind of speed. And it never struck me as like it's kind of a weird thing to do, but it's actually really fun, and it kind of gets the juices flowing of like you're just like typing for loops at max speed, and it's a huge rush. Glad to see that effect here. It's cool to see that they were able to play with virtual machine or VM2 type technology stuff too. So I'm very excited to try it out.